Ever feel like your brain is stuck in a rut? You're forgetting things, feeling sluggish, and just not as sharp as you used to be. Don't worry, there's hope. Your brain is not a static organ. It's constantly changing and adapting, and yes, it can even grow new brain cells. For a long time, scientists thought that we were born with a set number of brain cells, and that was it. But groundbreaking research has shown that our brains have the amazing ability to generate new neurons throughout our lives, a process called neurogenesis. This means we have the power to boost our brain power and keep our minds sharp as we age. Imagine your brain as a lush garden. Just like a garden needs sunlight, water, and nutrients to thrive, your brain needs the right conditions to grow new brain cells. And the best part? You have more control over this process than you might think. By adopting brain-healthy habits, you can create an environment where your brain can flourish. Neurogenesis is like a superpower we all possess, but many of us don't even know it exists. It's the process by which our brains create new neurons, primarily in a region called the hippocampus, which is essential for learning, memory, and emotional regulation. These newborn neurons are like eager students, ready to connect with existing brain cells and form new pathways. Why is this important? Because neurogenesis plays a vital role in keeping our brains healthy, adaptable, and resilient. It helps us learn new things, form new memories, and navigate the complexities of life with greater ease. When neurogenesis is impaired, we become more vulnerable to cognitive decline, mood disorders, and neurodegenerative diseases. Think of it this way. When you learn a new language, pick up a new skill, or even just have a stimulating conversation, you're essentially giving your brain a workout. This mental stimulation encourages the birth of new neurons and strengthens the connections between existing ones. The more you challenge your brain, the more it rises to the occasion, becoming more adaptable and resilient over time. So, how do we unlock this superpower and boost neurogenesis? The good news is that many of the things that are good for your body are also good for your brain. Physical exercise, for example, is like miracle grow for your brain. It increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that fuel neurogenesis. But it's not just about hitting the gym. Even moderate exercise like brisk walking, dancing, or gardening can have significant benefits for brain health. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Your brain will thank you for it. And don't forget about mental exercise. Just like physical exercise strengthens your body, mental exercise strengthens your brain. Engage in activities that challenge your mind, such as puzzles, brain games, learning a new language, or playing a musical instrument. The key is to keep your brain active and engaged throughout your life. Food for thought nourishing your neurons. You wouldn't put low-quality fuel in a high-performance car, would you? The same goes for your brain. The food you eat has a direct impact on your brain health, including neurogenesis. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats provides the building blocks your brain needs to function at its best. Antioxidants found in brightly colored fruits and vegetables help protect your brain from damage caused by free radicals. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds are crucial for brain cell structure and function. And don't forget about water. Dehydration can impair cognitive function, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats can hinder neurogenesis and increase your risk of cognitive decline. Think of these foods as brain drainers. They provide empty calories and contribute to inflammation, which can damage brain cells. Section 5. Stress less, sleep more, the brain's best friends. Chronic stress is like kryptonite to your brain. It releases hormones like cortisol that can actually shrink the hippocampus, the brain region responsible for neurogenesis. Over time, chronic stress can lead to memory problems, difficulty concentrating, and an increased risk of mood disorders. That's why it's essential to find healthy ways to manage stress. This might include exercise, meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. The key is to find what works for you and make it a regular part of your routine. And last but not least, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Sleep is essential for brain health, as it allows your brain to consolidate memories, clear out toxins, and repair itself. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to keep your brain functioning at its best.